But Aaron, this thing go much higher than we think.
Why? It looks serious. Because I even hearing that funds have been taken to build up apartment complexes. Even used to fund some political campaigns.
Yes, sir.
And there's a name swirling around that is of particular interest to me.
Who the?
A particular minister, you know, I cannot tell you. I'm sworn to secrecy.
But you know, you can share a little.
But trust me, everybody basically
They're on them toes. I can imagine.
Prepping and really following everything that's been happening.
But me a hearing on the street say, both now go get back. All of our him now go get back on their money.
Well, based on some of the reputable accountants that we have been interacting with, they say it's not likely. But who is to tell? It's still fresh. Any card can play at this point.
But Aaron, based on how it look, somebody look like they must step in to be the scapegoat.
Yeah, it definitely go high up. But one thing is for sure, this thing don't look good for the country.
Not at all. Why me know your office just everybody just supposed to just.
Yeah, everybody been prepping, but you know, this is a really high level case, so the office is buzzing. Yeah, man. But Angie, what go on? Everything alright with you though?
Most things are good in Iran. I mean, the security company is blossoming. It's coming into its own and thing. But I got a call from the agency.
But Angie, I hope you're not considering. And I mean, the security company already take up so much of your time. What's going to happen?
I hear you over there stuttering. What is the question you really want to ask?
Well, I mean, obviously, would you have time for a social life?
So what you're really asking is if I will have time for us. That's it, right?